Welcome to the GuruNanda Summer of Zen meditation series. In today's episode, we're going to practice a breathing meditation. You may wish to diffuse some eucalyptus essential oil nearby to help open up the lungs and get in that nice deep breath. Take this moment to pause. Take a deep breath and place your feet flat on the floor. Really feel your feet in contact with the ground underneath you. Now, place your hands on your stomach and take 2 to 3 deep breaths. While you take these deep breaths, notice how your stomach rises and falls with each in and out breath. Focus on that. And when you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes. As you continue breathing deeply into your stomach, try to breathe in for a count of 5, then hold your breath for a count of 5, and then breathe out slowly for a count of 5. Continue to breathe this way for a while. Remember to focus on the breath. In for 5, hold for 5, out for 5. You're doing great. Sometimes it can be harder to focus on our breath than we'd like, and that's okay. Now, I'd like you to slowly bring your attention back to the room. Go ahead and notice the sounds around you. And when you're ready, begin to open your eyes. So, how are you feeling? If you're enjoying this feeling, remember that you can come back here anytime you want. All it takes is a few minutes out of your day. For more sessions like this, stay tuned. We'll be doing one guided meditation for each essential oil of our top 6. Until next time, remember, be healthy, be happy, and be you.